What is the Feynman Technique?
The Feynman Technique is a four-step method for mastering new subjects. Named after Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman, it teaches you to break complex topics into simple language. The goal is to understand ideas so deeply that you can explain them clearly, even to someone with no background in the subject.
Step 1. Choose and study your topic.
Begin by selecting a concept you want to learn. Write its name at the top of a blank page or document. Study the material, reading, watching videos, or attending lectures until you feel ready. The key is to focus on truly grasping the basics rather than memorizing facts.
Step 2. Explain in simple language.
Pretend you're teaching the idea to a child or someone completely new to the topic. Write out the explanation using straightforward language, avoiding technical jargon. If you find yourself stuck or using complicated words, this signals a gap in your understanding. Go back and study those areas.
Step 3. Identify gaps and review.
Look at the points where your explanation feels unclear or confusing. These are your gaps in knowledge. Return to your source material to review and clarify these points. Continue the process until you can explain each part without hesitation and in your own words.
Step 4. Simplify and use analogies.
Now improve your explanation by making it even simpler. Remove unnecessary words and use analogies from everyday life to make your points easier to understand. The clearer and more relatable your language, the deeper your understanding will become.
Why the Feynman Technique works.
The Feynman Technique encourages active learning and self-testing. By teaching others, or even just pretending to, you confront your weak areas head-on. This method not only improves comprehension, but also helps you remember information longer and use it more flexibly.